everyone, Kian is back with another vlog. And guys, today I'm going to cut my hair for haircut. So yeah, I will see you guys there. Bye. Okay guys, I don't want to take a haircut because I was studying for my exam and I'm so tired right now. Right now I finished my exam studying. So guys, me, I have if any one of you know spinner that everyone was using with their fingers to spin, I have a lot of collections. So right now I'm going to show you right now. Alright guys, this is all of my spinners, man. I have this much spinners. Wow, look, this is the colorful one. You do something like this. It's very heavy, actually. It's very heavy. This one was my first spinner to have. I can even do some tricks, crazy tricks, but I'm going to show you later. Whoa. Whoa. See, I can do tricks. Look, even I can keep it in one finger. Look. Whoa. Wow. And guys, this is a dollar spinner. Dollar spinner, man. I don't know why it's not working right now. Oh, sorry. Alright guys, this is a dollar spinner. This is one of my favorite spinners. But guys, the most spinner that's really nice, that I like it, it's this one. It's a simple one, but look, it's something like this. But when you do something like this, it's written something on it. It says I love Dubai. You can even change it, put style normal, so it will be something like this. and if you click one more, it will be like this light, right? So when you do it like this, it will be something like this. And yeah, and guys, this is the most better spinner. This you can even charge. Okay, you can charge your spinner, and it's with Bluetooth. You can put music on it, and you can play music and do spinning. Yeah, and guys, this is very sharp, man. This is very sharp. This is the most spinner that I like, is this one, the most one. Wow. Wow. And guys, see, this is V2, but I don't know where is this stuff. Let me find it. Anyway, I'll show you later all of them. This one of them, I like it so much. I don't know why some of them this stuff came out. Look, this is the one. It's like a tiger, like a this Gucci. Wow. I don't know where's the other one. I'll just find it for you guys and do it. And this is one of them. Oh shit. And guys, they're still selling this one. They're still selling it in shops. This, I think, yeah, this one also light up, but look, it's like this. It's normal. Oh shit, it's coming off. Alright, anyway, and yeah, I'm going to show you right now all of them one by one. Alright guys, I'm going to light them, all of them, and I'm going to spin them. So yeah, just see it. It will be very nice. Alright guys, right now I'm going to, sorry about this, 1 minute, I have to put them a little far because yeah, now let's start. Okay, right now I'm going to spin all of them. Oh sorry, oh shit. Alright, this will be good. Oh my god. Wow. This thing is also lighting up. Okay, let's put this here. Let's put it there. Guys, next time I'll show you the green one. That is going to be Bluetooth. Yeah. Okay, now let's stop them. Alright, all of them are stopped. And this is my spinner collection. It's crazy, man. Yeah. Now it's going to be the craziest part. I'm going to do a trick right now. Okay, you see, I have this skeleton one. See, I'm going to do to transform this one to my other hand. Okay, come on. Alright. And see this second. Oh my god. Okay, I cannot do that. I have to train about that. So yeah. Now let's take a timer for all of my spinner. Let's go and take some timer for my spinner or for my video. So yeah. Okay guys, here I'll finish my vlog. I hope you guys like it. Please share this video and click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I'll see you guys soon. Kian is out.